Hello, welcome back to Plant Matters. I'm here with my good buddy Marcus, and today we're going to do a video on how to plant your grocery store scraps. Got a bunch of random fruit here, some oranges, mangoes, grapes, pineapple. We got some avocado seeds from work.
Onion bottoms, some celery, and I'm going to cut open this old avocado and we're going to plant this with the rest of the avocado seeds.
Just arrived in the mail today. Brand new Plant Matters shirts. So yeah. Oh, wait,
we got a little piece here, so.
Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to root the top of a pineapple. So first thing, we're going to want to cut the top off. Put that aside for now, that's going to be delicious. We want to trim all this extra. The tops are pretty tough, but just be a little gentle with it still because you don't want to break all the leaves or anything. Wow. Try to cut all the wet stuff out for sure. All the pineapple flesh that might be still on there. Any part of the wet core of the inside of the pineapple. And you'll get it down to a little kind of nub here. If you leave too much wet on the bottom, it'll just start to rot after a while and you won't get roots. Okay, so we'll peel all the leaves off now, all the way around. Now we definitely got some roots in here. They're not massive. I've seen bigger, but these should grow. I don't see why not. Alright, so if you see these little brown nubs in there, that is the start of the roots. So they're usually under the first few sets of leaves. If I peel too many more leaves back here, it doesn't look like I'm going to find any more. But take a couple more sets just to give it some room to get those roots in the water. Alright, so there's our pineapple top, ready to be put in some water. Alright, now for the exciting part, we're going to eat this pineapple.
Yes. And what were you saying about the...
For the top of the pineapple, you'll want it to sit in water for, I did about half a week to a week, just out of fear of having the roots rot on me again, because that's what happened the first time I tried. So the second time, I just put it in the water for a little bit to get the root growth activated, and then I put it in dirt after.
Oh man, that pineapple looks good.
It's juicy. I always just chew on the core, because why not?
Right?
The core is good for you. Get any part that you can chew, basically.
Yep.
Fun fact I learned about the cores of the pineapple is I guess they're good for male fertility.
Yeah. Well, I have enough kids, so I don't need none of that. But
perfect pineapple.
wow, that's sweet.
Now to be able to grow this yourself.
Cheers.
Wouldn't that be something?
Cheers.
Right? Now the thing with growing pineapples from the plant though is it can take quite a while, I guess, like most fruits. But from my understanding, I might be wrong, but I think one pineapple plant can only grow one pineapple, and it takes about 5 years.
I was just gonna say that.
And I got some actual pineapple seeds here. Maybe we'll try that out.
Really?
Who knows what'll happen, right? Yeah, I've definitely never seen pineapple grown from seed before. That would be an interesting one.
Very interesting. Think about planting seeds too. And growing your own food. You're not just feeding yourself, you can be feeding generations from, because it takes a while for some of these trees to grow, right? Doesn't get better than this.
Oh,
Feast of
wish I
fruit.
could eat dinner like this every day.
This is good stuff.
It's life.
Mm-hmm. So this is what we're going to be planting our seeds in. Everything else will be done like this. I guess we're going to be planting the avocado seeds too. And we'll be potting those in something bigger. This is an old avocado that I have. It's not going to go to waste. So I'm going to take the seed from it.
The avocado doesn't look that bad either. Could maybe use some of that for sure. Make some guacamole.
Why not? Guac is always good.
Oh yeah.
These are really nice seeds.
Yeah, there's some good big ones in there.
Ever notice that onions have the same thing? Like, you can even see the veins in them and the roots, right?
Oh yeah.
It's just waiting to.
Just waiting to grow.
It's alive. I do eat this. If I don't, it's gonna go in here. Everything gets recycled.
Compost.
Yep. That'll make for good soil in my backyard when it breaks down. For these guys when they all get bigger.
Sure, we started growing some avocado.
Oh, we did. Good job.
Awesome.
Awesome.
That was quick.
That's a nice avocado leaf right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Already fruiting.
Nice. Okay, so I've done these before. Doesn't really matter how far out I've buried them down. They still grow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So might as well grow it, right? No need to toss them out if you can get.
Why not?
You know, it's like
Recycling.
It's like buy a green onion, get a green onion free.
Exactly. What they don't want you to do, we're doing that.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna make a little hole here. It's already rooted, so it's gonna grow. And who doesn't want a kitchen counter full of herbs?
Beautiful. I mean, that's what the
growing,
kitchen's
right?
all about, right? You want all the food in your kitchen, and if
Yes,
it's
and
like
they're
growing there.
there and fresh.
Yeah. Beautiful.
That's the
Gonna
onions.
have a whole bunch of green onions here.
Yep. Okay.
Fill up the rest of these. We'll get some water on everything.
Pineapple seeds that we have here.
Maybe
Found
plant.
Should we go with the grape?
Maybe plant a few pineapple seeds per container, and let's try to get a
Per
few more
container?
seeds there. I think we're gonna have to eat some more pineapple.
All right. Sounds good to me. Let's go like this.
And when you got them like that, another thing is if you spread them out a bit in the pot.
Right.
One thing I've done is if you really want to save one of them, you get two really nice ones in one pot. You can always be very gentle, of course, but just kind of scoop everything underneath it and put it in a separate container on its own so it can live there
Right.
without disturbing the other. Look at how happy this guy is planting seeds.
Oh, man.
That's just
That's
what life is,
this
right?
Is fun, of course. I love doing this stuff.
because plants matter.
Of course.
Makes you feel good.
Sure does.
Got some lemon seeds sitting in the bottom of my water bottle. They've been there all day. So I'm gonna drink that water and get those out of there so we can plant them. Marcus has got all our containers ready here. We got some green onions planted already. We got a bunch of grapes planted here. You got some pineapple seeds in those 3 there. And we're gonna put some lemon and some grapefruit in these other containers.
I got a spaghetti squash here while I was growing. I moved him over from the big pot over here where we're gonna put the avocado seeds. I had to do something with him, so he's in a little pot for now. I'm gonna do 3 in water, and the rest of them I'm gonna do in dirt, and we'll see which one roots or sprouts first and the difference in it. We're gonna get a little dangerous here. We're gonna use 2 toothpicks. I don't know about this though.
And most people use 3.
What do they say?
I don't know why, but
because
might as well save a stick, right?
We think out the box, so we're using 2. Which one? How do they usually do this?
I would just go one directly on either side and try to look for the spot where it's gonna split. The top you want to be the narrower side, and the bottom is gonna have that that little butt on the end there.
Okay, so we're going 2. Now, if this sinks, we know why everybody uses 3. No. There you go. Okay, there's our 3 in the water. And we're going to do 6 in soil.
I think you got the one on the end there upside down. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? I was just seeing if you were paying attention. And when I did that avocado tree, I just threw him in the dirt, so I don't know if he was upright, downright, but it worked.
That's great.
I was just going to do exactly what I did with that one. It's too good. We have 1 in dirt, 1 in water. Let's hope this works. Look at that.
Nice.
Oh no. Can't be nobody behind me.
No.
There we go. Let's see, we got 9.
9 grapefruit seeds. We're sure to get something out of that. They look good and healthy too. My seeds are in the water, so I gotta drink all my water so we can plant the seeds.
That's how you do it.
There we go. I gotta slowly sift through the water in my mouth to make sure I'm not swallowing seeds.
You know, my grandmother used to tell me if you swallow your seeds, right?
You're gonna grow, you're gonna turn into a tree.
Yeah.
I thought I drank them all for a second.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, he forgot there were seeds in there.
So just like the grapefruit seeds, we got 9 lemon seeds.
Good job.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Now we're gonna grow lots of trees, onions, and pineapples, and celery, and we'll grow anything we can.
Right?
Good at that right now. Let's rip these off. These are still good. We can eat these. thing right in there as is. Maybe let's take a couple more of these big ones off. And let's just try to grow right out of that there. Let's get some extra water on it, why not? Just dig it into the soil a little bit, not too much. Let's try that out right there. The rest. Nice.
All right. Avocado, mangoes. And we still have a whole bunch of seeds if I want to go through these after. Plants matter, right?
Exactly.
Exactly. Man, I had fun. I'm telling you, man. I'm glad you came over. I'm glad we did this. Because, man, I had fun.
I had a blast.
I do this
Thanks
every
for
day.
having me.
If I could,
Yeah.
I'd do this every day, right? Yeah. So, this is going to be these guys' home for the next, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. We'll see how they do. Till next time, I guess, eh?
Till next time.
Right on, man.
Well, that's all for our first episode of Grocery Store Gardening. And until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, plants matter.